Hi, my name is Ashwini Deshpande. I went to London College of Fashion. While I was there, COVID hit, and that's when I got introduced to digital fashion as an alternative method for prototyping and to make fashion more sustainable during production. After that, I went ahead and created a fully digital fashion collection for my graduate showcase. I was recruited by Meta, previously known as Facebook, where I was part of the R&D team called Reality Labs. So we developed XR fashion capabilities for the Metaverse using artificial intelligence, and I was the fashion sort of consultant on that project. I was there for about 1.5 years, and now I'm going to be going to business school next. I've met with a couple of the teachers as well as some of the students, and my interactions have been very positive. The students are very curious and passionate about what they do, which I absolutely love, and it's been just such an incredible experience to work with them. I think digital fashion can help aid sustainability in many ways. In fashion production, for example, it can reduce lead times. So when you design the product and manufacture the product, that time period becomes a lot shorter. So that way it's easier to make on-demand clothing. So brands don't have to manufacture huge amounts of garments and then see some of those garments potentially go to landfills because they're not sold.